All right, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Justin and I are here today in Ocean City, Maryland to go to the 3 amusement parks they've got here at the boardwalk. One of them being called Trimper Rides, and then the other 2 both being named Jolly Roger. One of them being Jolly Roger at the Pier, the other one being Jolly Roger Amusement Park
at 30th Street.
At 30th Street, and they are the same company, I think.
Yeah.
They're owned by the same people, they're just 2 different spots. So we're doing all 3 of them in this video. It's gonna be fun. First thing we see here is the boomerang over there at Trimper Rides. So I think that might be where we're starting. They open the earliest. So they open at noon and it's 1 p.m. but the other park doesn't open until 2. So we're gonna start over here at Trimper, go do Jolly Roger at the Pier, and then Jolly Roger Amusement Park on 30th Street to finish it up. So, you haven't been here in how long?
Last time I was here, get this, excuse me, it was the weekend that Chester Bennington died.
Yeah, so a very long time ago, like 2017.
Yep.
Yeah, so, we are going down here. I'm just walking straight towards the boomerang because that's where I guess where we're going. So, I'm excited to ride it. I've heard this boomerang's good, so hopefully it's actually enjoyable. And yeah. Alright, we made it in the park. Kind of just walk right in. You can pay per ride or get a wristband. I'm going to try paying per ride because there's 2 coasters here. And I'll see what flat rides I ride. What's up? Alright, here's what we got. So, looks like you can pay per ride. I'm going to try that and we'll get on the boomerang. Tidal wave, which is 14. Is that the spinning coaster? 9. Okay, let's do it. All right, tidal wave is here. It is dead. There's like no one in line. So probably first up here. I got points to ride them because it's cheaper to get points than to get the all-day pass. It was only 17 bucks for this. So I'm gonna ride these 2 coasters and then versus 35 for the all-day pass. Spinning coaster is here. And tidal wave is here. Let's do tidal wave. All right. It's time for a ride on tidal wave.
Oh, we're going backwards. Yeah. Backwards.
I've heard it's good.
No, I did it 7 times. It's super good.
Well, there's a bump, so.
There won't be any sea serpent, I'll tell you that.
Okay, fair enough. I do love sea serpent.
There won't be any speed of sound either.
Oh, speed of sound's a lot of fun.
What speed of sound?
They're doing an air show over us. If you hear a really loud jet, that's what's happening. I'm looking like right at it right now. It's actually below the building now, but
oh no, it's gonna make
that's like an F-14 or something. Oh, there's the other part. Yeah.
It's
So the other pier's right over there.
The F-22 were faster.
Here we go.
I can see my condo from here. Oh.
Whoa!
This won't be any Jolly Rancher remix either.
Yeah.
You get sedated on that.
Yeah.
Monster, how should I be? Creatures fly here. Through the world. Monster, how should I feel? Creatures fly here.
And the jet goes over us. Wow. All right. They're doing this air show. Look at that. Just right over the park and beach here. Yeah.
Jagger 1 defending.
Top Gun Maverick moment. That's crazy. We're on the next coaster. It's happening again. Look at that. no technical difficulties on this ride where my camera quit recording. I don't know what happened on Tidal Wave.
My glasses safe.
Yeah. Should be easy on this thing. Whoa! Oh my god. Wait, did they have this here in 2017?
I wasn't here. I never came down here in 17. I only stayed at the condo.
So is this new for you?
Both these are new. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Whoa! Whoa! I didn't realize that.
Well, you're vlogging somebody that went to both Australia and Japan before getting these credits.
In your home state.
Yeah.
Hey, there you go though. New credits.
Whoa!
I'm just watching the jet at this point. Whoa! Oh! I'm glad we're off balance. This is so much more fun.
We're getting our ride to happiness riding.
Yeah. Nothing will top that. Whoa. Especially not an SBF visa. You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, right round, round, round. You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, round, 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 round. Whoa! Whoa! Is that the ride? That's it. Let's go. We can move to the next one now. Yay! I'm a little dizzy.
This one's spinning a lot.
I can't feel my nose. I can't feel my face when I'm with you.
If this spins one more time, I'm gonna explode! I can't handle it because they're spin too much.
Hey, look, Tidal Wave's about to go. Watch it, everybody.
I like my coaster.
Anyway, that was fun. All right, so Trimper Rides, fairly small little boardwalk park here. We got both coasters real quickly. There's another jet and a, holy, dude, the jets are like the main character of this video, jeez. Yeah. Anyway, Trimper Rides, very good. Definitely did enjoy getting the two coasters here and watching the jets. So next up, we got Jolly Roger at the Pier, which has a looping star Pinfari, which I don't know if I'm really excited about that or not, but we're gonna ride it anyway. Gotta get the credit. So we'll walk down that way. It says welcome to Ocean City. I'm sure we're up by the boardwalk and the beach here. You can see the water from Tidal Wave. So definitely excited to check out Ocean City. I've got this haunted house ride that's just out here on the boardwalk, which is pretty cool. We might come back and do it. I don't even know if it's part of Trimpers or Jolly Roger at the Pier or anything. Still doing a jet show over there. And here's the boardwalk. This honestly looks really nice. I like it a lot. I'm a big fan. I just love boardwalk parks in general, but this one is definitely really nice. I like it so far. I like it better than Ocean City, New Jersey, maybe. I don't know. Not Playlands, but the rest of it.
This one's still brilliant for that.
Yeah. All right, I think this is our entrance to park number 2, which is Jolly Roger at the Pier. It's just got one coaster here, maybe, because apparently there's a dark ride that might also be a credit. So, here we are, and that's the credit we're gonna go ride. It's a looping star, so I'm a little bit scared of the looping star, but should be interesting either way. Then we're gonna go take a look at the dark ride, because I think I wanna ride it anyway, but it might be a credit. Those are freaking loud. feeling about it? Not good. Have you ridden the one at Keensburg?
No.
Yeah, well, that one sucks. So hopefully this one doesn't. All right, here we go. God. It'll be interesting, that's for sure.
What is that?
That's some interesting shaping. I'm gonna brace myself. Not expecting this to be good.
Any good?
Success. That wasn't actually that bad. Yeah. There's a couple really bad jolts, but other than that, it's pretty good. All right, we did it. All right, honest thoughts on Looping Star. The track record I have on these is after I get off, I'm surprised that I don't hate them as much as I should. Yeah. Like it wasn't that bad. There were two jolts that weren't great. The loop was actually fun, not rough. And
for the most part, it's actually somewhat enjoyable.
It was kind of fun. Yeah, it definitely looks 10 times worse than what it rides. But yeah, we got the one credit that's definitely confirmed here. We also bought a ride over here on, I think it's called Zombie Manor now. It's this dark ride that might be a coaster, might not be a coaster. I guess it's kind of up to decide. You come through here and you go down this drop and then back up. So yeah, for a lot of people, this would be kind of technically a credit. So we're gonna ride it either way because it looks fun. So let's go. Honestly, I like Looping Star better than the Haunted Dark Ride, but it was still kind of funny. We're going out here to see the beach and the pier that comes out. This is a really nice area, actually. I like it a lot. You can see all the condos and stuff along the beach here. Obviously the beach itself. People out enjoying the water and the pier. You can turn around and see all the rides behind us. I like it. This is a nice place. We've got one more amusement park to get to. It's up that way somewhere.
Yeah.
So we'll be going there next here in a second. But I just wanted to come out here and kind of look at the nice sand. I always like going to the beach when I'm nearby it. So yeah, it's nice. We're walking out to touch the water here. And they're doing a air show. Again, yeah. More planes this time. There's like is that 12? A formation of like 12. Either way, this is sick. It's been going on the whole time we're here. I almost can't come to the shore, the beach, without going out and stepping in the water. And that's what we're doing. The air show going on. Oh, that water is cold. Oh, whoa. It's okay, I didn't get wet. It's so cold on my feet. It feels so good. Woo. There's a big wave that came through. Now they're all shallow. I'm gonna walk out too far and get roasted. Woo! This is definitely a vibe, that's for sure. so we took a quick little break in between the coaster riding after Trimper and Jolly Roger at the Pier. We're going back now so we can go 2 miles down that way to go to Jolly Roger Amusement Park on was it 30th Street? Yeah. On 30th Street. It's got 3 coasters at that one alone. One of them being a flitzer, which I'm excited to ride because I've only ridden one so far, and it was fun. So we're gonna head on down there and see you when we get there. Ah! Okay, part 2. Ah! I don't want them to poop on my head though. Justin, what if they poop on me?
They'll poop on me first.
We got lucky with our parking spot. We're right up front, very close to Jolly Roger Amusement Park. Let's go. All right, we made it to the 3rd and final park here from Ocean City, Maryland. This one has 3 roller coasters, so it's gonna be the biggest chunk of our time. Jolly Roger Amusement Park. Yes, it's owned by the same people.
Splash Mountain opens 10 a.m. daily.
Splash Mountain? That doesn't exist anymore. Don't they mean Tiana's Bayou Adventure? But yeah, we're at Jolly Roger Amusement Park.
Splash Mountain's up here now.
Yeah, Splash Mountain, they moved it actually. It's over here. This is owned by the same people that owned the other one we were just at like 2 minutes ago. So let's go have fun. So unlike the other 2, this is actually kind of more like an amusement park than it is a boardwalk park. We did just walk in, it's free admission. You buy ride tickets or a wristband or card or whatever. They got 3 coasters. One's a wacky worm right there, the other one's a cyclone, and the other one back there is a flitzer. So they're all in sight, fairly easy to get to. Just gotta figure out where we get our tickets from and get on them.
That Schwarzkopf right there,
It's a Wildcat, yeah.
that used to be a Cedar Point.
Oh, is this a Cedar Point Wildcat?
Yeah.
I'll have to look into that. However, I called it a Zyklon. I was completely wrong. So yeah, earlier in this video, I called it a Zyklon. It's a Wildcat, so I'm sorry. Sorry about that. We're going to the Wacky Worm first. We got our, we got our passport to fun, all the points we need to ride. So starting with the best ride here, clearly the Wacky Worm. Let's go. We are getting pushed. We're getting pushed out of the station. Come on. Try to help him out.
Very good, we got it.
Yeah, Wacky Worm. This dude, this Wacky Worm guy, he has seen some things. He's been through it. He has no antennas left. His face is all torn up. He's been through the ringer. Let's go, 2 laps. I love a short Wacky Worm. All right, we did some digging and did confirm that this is the Cedar Point Wildcat that used to be there.
This used to stand right next to Moni, of course, if memory serves.
Yep, and used to be at Valley Fair as well. So we were riding a Cedar Fair piece of history Wildcat here. Very excited for it. I didn't even know that it was here. Like, I didn't realize that this was it, but it is. This is the Cedar Point Wildcat. So I keep wanting to say Wild Mouse for some reason. All right, former Cedar Point Wildcat. So piece of history here.
And these are very comfy seats.
They are very, very comfy. I love the, I love the Schwarzkopf chains on their actual just chain links.
Yeah.
I love that. Whoa! It's a lot more fun than a Zyklon would be.
Oh yeah.
Man, this thing's big.
Oh yeah.
Woo! That was a lot of fun. I like it. And it's a piece of history. So definitely happy we rode it.
Oh yeah.
And now I'm excited for the Flitzer.
Not for the reason you may think.
No. We got the on-ride photo of us because it was really cool. I liked it. I don't always get those, but it was a lot of fun. And I like the photo. So next up is the Flitzer. I'm very excited for this. Are we riding together? Are we riding in tandem? Yeah. All right, I guess we're gonna ride this in tandem. I'm excited. This is my second one ever. I just rode one at the Tennessee State Fair, and now this one. Does anybody want me to really go? Bye, Justin. We opted to sit apart because these are very, very small seats. But no restraint, no seatbelt, anything. Just riding it. Hat, sunglasses, everything, camera. Just a good old time. Good old time. Woo! Ooh, Barracuda! Hi, Justin! Whoa! These are fun little rides. Woo! Oh. All right. Hi, Justin. Oh. How'd you like it? How'd you like it? Oh, look. Ooh, Barracuda. All right, so we have officially ridden all the coasters here at Jolly Roger Amusement Park. Also Jolly Roger at the Pier and Trimper Rides. We got everything here that we need to get at Ocean City, Maryland. It's a really nice area. I do like it a lot. The boardwalk's cool. And this amusement park's cool.
About time I got down here too and actually ridden these things, because it's been, as I said, it's been years since I've been to this city.
Yeah, and I didn't even realize coming into that when I asked Justin to do this trip that he hadn't ridden these. So it was a gain of 6 coasters for both of us. So that puts you closer to 1,000 and puts me closer to 800. So that works. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the coverage of these amusement parks, mainly the roller coasters. Yeah, that's gonna do it from here. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a huge thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. So I did wrap up the video Ocean City, Maryland, but I have one more thing. We found the Maryland State Fair, and they've got a zipper, and I've never ridden one, and I've got someone to ride with me. Yay, Justin. I'm so excited for the zipper. Okay, now this is the real ride because the whole thing's rotating. I can't lie, I'm a little scared. I've never ridden one of these, and I've always wanted to. Oh! Whoa! I'm so disoriented. What is happening? We're going up, and we're going up! Whoa! Oh! 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 Jeez. Whoa! Whoa! We're upside down, we're upside up. I don't know what's happening. Giggity! Whoa! Whoa!
That car in front of us is just going.
Yeah, go. There's no one in it. No!
It's much better than I remember.
Whoa! No! It's because they're both freaking heavy. We're chunky. Whoa! I haven't felt this out of control since Insane at Going On. What is happening? I think I just got transported to Delaware. How is this ride still going? I got airtime. Whoa. Oh no. I think it might be slowing down. It ain't over yet though. I thought it was over, and then it just kicks back in. I saw that one coming that time. Oh, now it's over.
We're still up here though.
All right. You know what? Best flat ride ever. Oh my gosh. I'm so glad I rode one finally. Holy crap. 11 out of 10.
Dude, that was so much better than I remember. That's so good.
What? Dude, the part where we just like went head first down and we stayed there, and then we flipped 4 times. Yeah. That was insane. 11 out of 10. I don't know what to say. This is at the end of the video anyway, so you guys already heard the outro. You gotta ride one of these. It's nuts. Life-changing.
You won't regret it.
Bye.